Go ahead.
I'm General Ravi. I'm the president of Prakriti Vihar Yapral here. I know we had this problem of water getting stagnated in our colony for years, and we were trying to find a solution. And yesterday night's rain created havoc. Half our colony was submerged almost. I mean, we couldn't move out from our homes. And at this time, I must say it's a divine intervention, the way the Hydra team has come.
Exactly.
They came in the night, but they said, okay, let's do it in the morning. And in the morning, all vehicles, the complete team of Hydra was here, and they went into every nook and corner where this water was lying. And with their beautiful trained staff, they were successfully able to remove everything from the colony, and the perennial problems which we had of hindrances of this water getting out from colony, which no one could sort out. It is Hydra which has sorted it out today. And thanks
Please
to
clap.
and thanks to you. I'm really overwhelmed by your response, and your approach is the approach which is needed to get the things done in the right way and for the benefit of the society of this beautiful place called Hyderabad.
Yes.
And we all are very, very grateful to you from our heart, and extremely wish you all the best in your life, and be that in way. And Sir Aditya Garu, Hydra Commissioner, yes, Hydra Commissioner, he himself had come here. He's seen this, and of course, you all are reflection of his personality. And Hydra as a team, you have carved a niche for yourself in this Hyderabad city, and we are all grateful to you, sir. And may you all be very happy and live comfortably. Be there for this people. We all look up to you. When all our options are over, we look up to Hydra.
Awesome.
That's what it is. And of course, Subhana Garu, I mean, she's been there throughout. Subhana Garu, you know, she's an engineer, and come, ma'am, you deserve applaud. You deserve applaud. Come here.
We are not going to Hydra.
Come here. You come here. So she has been there. She knows our problems. And she has been at it. And the long-term plan, everything, she has already done number of times. Again, she is back to that. And today also in these difficult times, in this crisis, she's been there with us from morning in this water.
Awesome.
Thanks to ma'am, thanks to you, and may you all and your department do very well. And thanks to every one of you who has been here with us. And we are very, very grateful to every one of you.